Welcome to another inspiring review, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you basically what you can have for under $1,200, a gaming PC obviously, and I can assure you that it's going to be something pretty special and powerful. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the motherboard. We're going with the Asus P5E Deluxe motherboard, Intel's X48 chipset, supports 1600 FSB frontside bus, pretty fast forward. All the latest technology. Let's have just a look at here. Okay, going with the back panel plate. It comes with a nice pattern as well, so you won't cut your fingers. That's good to always have. IDE cables and floppy SATAs, all SATA cables. That's for your front panel, stuff like that, to plug in later. And these are always cool to get from Asus always supply these sound cards, the Supreme FX2. They sound really good, and they sound almost as good as the Creative ones. Almost, it's not much different. And this is a fan to put on if you're going water cooling. More USB ports. Put in the back. Manual and a CD drivers. Let's just go straight to the beauty itself. Yeah, I must say though, it's exactly the same as the old generation P5E. Exactly the same looking, but the only difference is the X48 chipset, which is a big difference actually, and the 1600 FSB support. There you have it. Very nice looking board. Like I said, it's virtually the same as the X38 chipset P5E. Yeah. Alright guys, we're going with the 45nm processor from Intel, the Core 2 Duo E8400. Operates at 3 GHz. Easily overclocked to 4 gigs, from what I've been hearing. So yeah, pretty good CPU there.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is amazing. What else we got here? Open this up. Guys, there's been some awesome reviews on these cards. This is definitely bang for your buck when it comes to graphics and performance. The HD 4850, $190, and you're getting a very powerful card, considering the price of it. We're just coming in. Let's just have a good look at this. Oh, yeah, by the way, that's the Powercolor version. They're all the same. It's all your reference design cards anyway. The card itself. Let's just have a look and see what's in here. Yeah, it comes with DVI to your HDMI connector. The component cables, driver disc. I don't know what this is. I'll get to that eventually.
Me neither.
This is VGA to DVI and Crossfire bridge. And there's the beautiful card itself. What do you reckon, Albert?
Fantastic.
Huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
That's the HD 4850. It's a very nice looking card though, I must say.
I'll get one tomorrow.
I'm sure you are. Yeah, there's not much I can say about this. Yeah, it requires your 1/6-pin connector, so you don't need a really big power supply for this. 400, your watt should do it. Very nice looking card.
Beautiful.
Alright, now we're going with the OCZ 600 watt power supply. The reason why I went with a 600 watt because I'm building this PC for one of my customers and he wants a future proof. For example, if he wants to put another 4800, 4850 GPU in there, having two, which means needs more power. So this comes with SLI ready. So that's it makes it a bit more future proof. The only thing I was feeling about this power supply, it wasn't a modular, which I would have preferred it to be a modular, but it doesn't matter. I can still make it look nice and neat. Comes with two 6-pin connectors for your 2 cards, if you do want them. That's all I can show you with this pretty much. It comes with a 3-year warranty as well, so you are assured. It is reassuring to hear that, because it is a quality build. Going with 2 DVD burners here from Pioneer. Western Digital hard drive, 160 gig, 7200 RPM. Not much to see. And 4 gigs of Gskill RAM. 800 megahertz RAM. The latencies are 55515. 4 gigs of that, so it should be great, give you good memory performance. And they gave me a free cordless screwdriver as well, which was great, I think. There we go, that's nice, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Okay, what else we got here now? The case. That's the sides. The old Coolermasters, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Centurion 590. Centurion, is it? Huh? Coolermaster. I can always trust Coolermaster. They make awesome cases. It's good for gaming as well. They've got plenty of airflow. Pretty big box for
What are you doing?
Alright guys, after wrestling with that box, I finally got the case out. What I can say is, my first impressions are that it's a very nice quality build. It's full steel right around. Except the front is just plastic. Apart from that, it's a very nice quality build. We've got 2 USB ports in front here. 1 mic port, audio port, and a 1394 port, and power and reset there. Just like this. We have one 120mm exhaust fan there. One 120mm blue LED fan there, which cools the hard drives as well, because there's a hard drive cage there, which that's where I'll be putting the hard drives in. The one hard drive I've got, and it brings some airflow in the case too. And also, it's the first time I'll be working with this, with a case which has a power supply on the bottom. So that's this is your first experience for me. To have a power supply on the bottom, because all my other builds were with a power supply on top. So something different for me. And also for your water cooling fans, it comes with 2 rubber grommets there for your water cooling pipes. Easy access. And what else can I show you? Also on this, you can have 2 120mm fans on here as well, intake or exhaust, your choice. And it's the same thing with the top as well. Exactly the same. So it offers very good cooling performance. Plenty. That's pretty much it. Now I'm going to start building. I'm going to start doing start chucking in all the hardware inside the case, and doing some benchmarks. But yeah, they'll be in part 2, so stay tuned.